Hey everyone, welcome back to Rabi Hobby. Today I'm cooking up something special all the way from the heart of Delhi, India. Aloo Bhindi Masala. That's right. It's a delicious potato and okra curry, and you are going to want to try this one at home. So let's get right into it. First thing first, let's heat up some mustard oil. Be generous with it because we are going to fry some veggies. When the oil is nice and hot, in goes half a pound of okra, cut in half of course. Fry that up for a few minutes, then add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Fry until the okra is softened and about 75% cooked through. Then set it aside for later. Next, more mustard oil goes into the pan. This is going to give our curry that deep, rich flavor. Add in pound of chopped potatoes and fry until golden brown. Once they are looking good, take them out and set them aside with okra. Alright, now for the spice mix. Grab your grinder and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds, 8 to 10 garlic cloves and few green chilies. Add a cup of water, grind it all together until you have got a smooth, fragrant paste. This is where the magic happens. More mustard oil in the pot. Yes, we are going all out. Pour in that fresh mustard garlic paste and cook it on medium heat for a few minutes. Meanwhile, let's get our tomato puree ready. 2 medium tomatoes, blitz them into a paste. After about 5 minutes of cooking the paste, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Stir it all together and let the spices blend beautifully for another 5 minutes. And now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now in goes that fresh tomato puree. Cook for a few minutes and add 1 cup of water. Give it a stir and let it simmer covered for 7 to 8 minutes. As the water reduces, we are going to add 2 more cups of hot water. And then bring back the star of the show, our golden potatoes and soft okra. Mix it all up, add salt to taste, but remember we already salted the okra, so adjust accordingly. Cook for another 5 minutes and that's it. Your delicious Aloo Bhindi Masala is ready. Serve it with roti, naan or rice and trust me, you are in for a treat. Thanks so much for watching everyone. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and comment below with what you want to see me cook next. See you soon on Rabi Hub. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.